Hello Armonk online show. This is Robert Hessler, and here's a little guided tour of my studio space. Over here I have my little gallery set up where I show my work. Over here I have my work table, all of the colored porcelain slip that I use to apply my dot pieces. Here are some pieces that will soon be covered in thousands of dots. Right here is where I do a lot of my dot application. In this corner, it's a really beautiful sunny spot to sit, hear the stream outside. Very relaxing, very meditative. My wheel and wedging table, and a beautiful view outside. Over here is where I photograph all my work. Over here is where I make all of my glazes, my wall of chemicals, some dot pieces that are finished that have to be glazed, some more dot pieces that are ready to be fired. Here's some bisque pieces that are ready to be glazed and fired. All of these pieces are available on my website, www.roberthessler.com. Thank you.